Your phone is about to stop waiting for instructions and start doing things on its own. It is not just about answering simple questions anymore. It is not about suggesting the next obvious steps, actually completing tasks inside your apps. And that fundamental shift changes absolutely everything. For years, AI assistants have been glorified search bars. You ask, they answer, you still do the work. You no longer have to manually open the app. You no longer have to manually type the message. You don't need to manually compare the products. And you don't need to book the reservation yourself. But now, that middle layer might disappear. With Gemini automation, AI is shifting from assistant to operator. Instead of saying, here are restaurants near you, it can compare options, check availability, book the table, add it to your calendar. Everything happens together in one seamless flow. That's called agentic AI, systems that plan and execute multi-step actions. And this isn't theory, it's being tested right now. But here's the real question we must ask. If your assistant can click, send, delete, or purchase, how much control are you giving away? This level of convenience is incredibly powerful. But autonomy always comes with risk. This could eliminate app switching, automate daily admin, increase productivity dramatically, or create new privacy boundaries we've never seen before. This isn't just a feature update. It's a shift in how humans interact with devices. If you want to stay ahead of where AI is going, not where it's been, subscribe. Because the future of automation won't announce itself politely. It will just start working. And you need to understand it before it understands you.